Haha. Okay. Someone left his backpack here. There's something inside. What? It became black. What happened? Wait a minute. I'll go wash my hands. What is this? So gross. I wonder whose backpack is this? Oh, it's Pikachu! I wonder if there's something inside. Girls! What is this? It became black. There is something inside. Huh? Oh, this hand became black too. What is it? I can't take it off. I have to tell Cole to not touch the backpack. Cole, no! Go, I'll take it off for you. Ow! Ow, it hurts. Sorry for the wait. With the octopus, the nemi, and cobra, I made takoyaki! Wow! Ooh. Now enjoy your meal!
Yay! Takoyaki! Itadakimasu!
So delicious! So yummy!
You should try.
KOYA and NEMI-chan, keep trying! Orange!
Next, everyone's favorite.
Apple!
Next,
Banana!
again.
Banana!
Oh, it fell down. Okay. Oh, this one too. Yes. Okay. Looks good.
Oh!
The bread is baked. Gotta go. I love corn. What else? I love bell peppers too. Purple cabbage. I'll take it. And carrot. Where is milk? Where is it? It's in the fridge. Here it is. Okay. Cheese and some meat and... I love this chicken. Okay. Oh, some eggs too. Let's check out. What? What? This is not working. What's going on? Oh, how may I help you? How about some fresh baked bread? Wow, looks delicious. I recommend this one. Wow, I'll take some bread too. These ones too. But this one is the best. Then I'll take this one, please. Yes. Thank you very much. Oh, excuse me. This cash register is not working. I forgot about it. Please give me a second. Is he coming or... Thank you for waiting. Okay, you can try it now. I did it. You are doing great. You bought a lot. Yes. Good. How's it going? Going very well. Good. Then, well, would you like to pay by cash or card? Credit card, please. Okay, you can swipe your credit card here. PIN code, please. Okay. Yes, I'm done. Here's your bag. Please come here again. Thank you. I'll come here again. See you. See you. Thank you very much.
Numi, that was so scary. Yeah, what was that? Nami, answer the door.
No, you!
Nami, go ahead.
No, where?
Nami, go ahead. Someone is calling you.
Go! Hurry up!
You go. Nemi, Koya, you go. Yes. Who are you? A shark? The ocean? What was that? Yes. Close the door! Close the door! How come strange things come to our house? I cannot stand anymore. What the... What was that? What's going to happen next? No. What's next? Who is it? Koya! I can be helped. I'm back. Nemi! Oh, Koya! I came back home. Are you okay? Didn't you get injured? Are you okay? You sure? Are you okay? What a relief. Where are you, by the way? Well, I don't know, but there were so many dinosaurs out there. That was so scary, though. Why didn't you pick me up? How come? How?
My dumplings haven't come yet. Dumplings, oh dumplings. Our trip's done. May I help you? Follow me. Here. Thank you very much. Do you know what you want? How about ramen noodles? I want ramen and dumplings. Sure. I'm gonna make ramen. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, right. Okay. I finished. Ramen is ready. Food is ready. This is your ramen. Go ahead. Wow, looks delicious.
いただきます。
Yummy. My dumplings haven't come yet. Dumplings, 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 dumplings. Oh, dumplings, dumplings. The dumplings, 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 dumplings. Well, freeze. Let me see. Dumplings, 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 dumplings. Oh, dumplings. Where? The dumplings are out of stock. Whew, it was really good.
ごちそうさま。
My order hasn't come yet. Excuse me, my dumplings haven't come yet. Oh, the dumplings. Yeah, sure. Well, I'm making it right now. I am making the dumplings. The dumplings. 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 Here it is. What's wrong? Nothing happening. Please don't look at me. Everything is okay. It's perfect. Well, this is strange restaurant. It tastes good though. I am making dumplings. Here is your dumplings. Wow, finally looks delicious.
いただきます。
It's so juicy. Yes. What a relief. I'm so tired.
ごちそうさまでした。
Sure. Ramen cost 600 yen. Dumplings 400 yen. Total is 1,000 yen. Here you go. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Thank you very much. Thanks. Thank you very much.